What's up, everybody? Matt Maran here, and this is the all-new 2019 Ford Ranger, which was revealed at the 2018 North American International Auto Show here in Detroit, and it looks really good, so especially in that orange color. But as you can see, it looks familiar to those of you who might be in Australia and a few other places. This is the a refreshed version of the International Ranger that we get here now finally for North America to compete with Colorado, Frontier, and a couple of others there. So you can see there's a nice new grille there. I really like the charcoal gray accents. You got those new headlights, which are optional LEDs, and nice wheels. This is the Lariat trim. There's only going to be a few different trims. They're going to keep it pretty simplified, but it looks really good. I really love that orange paint color. I think it really nicely pops. But anyway, I didn't get too close of a look at the interior because there's other people filming it, but it basically looks like an Explorer interior for the most part. You know, typical Ford parts bin type stuff, which isn't bad, but nothing radically new there on the interior. Otherwise, though, now this is going to be running the 2.3 liter EcoBoost turbocharged 4-cylinder. They didn't give any specific outputs yet. I will have that later on down the road. A nice size bed there too, you know, comparable with the Colorado and others, I'm sure. I really like that tailgate, and those new taillights look really cool too. That sets it apart from the other versions of the Ranger in other parts of the world. But yeah, so they said they're going to be going on sale. I think it's the beginning of 2019, so this is still about a year away. So anyway, thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care.